It is PSD Heavy Industry that creates new standards in a construction and machinery manufacturing industry. PSD Heavy Industry Company Limited. With know-how that has been long accumulated and passions, PSD Heavy Industry is leading a construction and machinery manufacturing industry. We are proud to have a variety of patents and ISO certifications and get recognitions from the world beyond Korea about the high levels of our technology. In the construction and machinery manufacturing areas, we are creating innovations through creative research and development and the best solution that were brought up by our well-established product quality management system to become trustworthy to customers, as well as to give excellent customer satisfaction. We make the dream. With the small-sized heavy equipment, a skid loader of Vulcan series, we are driving innovations that will bring about sensation at agricultural and construction spots. Vulcan offers an environment-friendly light engine having the most outstanding powers among competitors and energy efficiency for customers' better productivity. It displays excellent performances in a narrow space of not only agricultural spots, but also construction areas. As it has adopted one-touch practice that allows for various works within a short time and convenient removable functions, Vulcan uses its parts manufactured by the global enterprises such as Denforce and Walboil, and thus exerts outstanding performances in terms of durability and stability. For the safety of workers, we have adopted an integral type of canopy that is strong against shocks and provides extended viewing range and minimized noise by installing an insulation sponge. By employing a hydraulic joystick as the default, we have designed it for beginners to be able to drive in a convenient way. We have radically increased productivity through fine and precise controlling. Furthermore, we are making various construction heavy equipment along with skid loaders. Efficient works and conveniences are the outcomes from PSD technology. The company that is always making technologies and quality targeting at the world best, creating values and leading changes. PSD Heavy Industries promises customer satisfactions and success through ceaseless research and development. PSD Heavy Industry Company Limited.